Hello and welcome back. Standard 4 NF3, numbers 11 through 15. Understand a fraction, a over b, with a greater than 1 as a sum of fractions 1 over b. Now, yes, there's more to the standard wording than that, but you know what? That's sufficient for now. Math grade 4, unit 3, blah, 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 blah. 4 NF3, number 12. Number 12. At the beginning of March, we have a proper noun. March. A bean plant was 4 or 5 inches tall. We have a mixed number. Whole number, fraction. Oh, there's another one over there. Another one right here. Another one over there. At the beginning of March, a bean plant was 4 4/5 inches tall. By the beginning of April, the plant, oh gosh, it's cut off. Yikes. Let's move it over a little, or is the phone going to fall? Yes, it will fall. There's the rest of it. We got to just move it over like this. Just know that the word plant is over there. And I'll write it down here. By the beginning of April, the plant, it's over there. By the beginning of April, the plant was 7 2/5 inches tall. How many inches did the plant grow during March? Let's draw this. Remember, word problems, visualize it. Sorry, a little congested. That time of the year. March. Bean plant. From here to here. 4 4/5 inches. Let's do the next one. April. Wow, this bean plant is growing fast. Now, of course, we can be more elaborate on the drawing, but the idea is just to show you visually that in April, it is much taller. April bean plant. 7 2/5 inches tall. Here's the question. How many inches did the plant grow in March? Oh, not in March. During March. This is during. All of this right here. And the only way to figure out all of this space is to take 7 2/5, take away 4 4/5. We will just subtract fractions. But here's the catcher. It's not just a fraction, it is a mixed number. It's a whole number and a fraction. And let's make sure that they have common denominators. Check, check. Over here, possible answers, improper fractions, mixed numbers, normal fraction. Let's just solve this and see if our answer is there right away. Okay, same common denominator, so I can subtract. But I cannot take 2 minus 4. So I need to borrow. 6 plus 1 is 7. But this 1 is equal to 5 over 5. Okay? 6 plus 1 is 7, so there's still 7 whole ones, but to add these two, I make a common denominator out of that whole number, 5 over 5. So now I can take 2 plus 5, which is 7, and I have 7/5. Now I can take 7, take away 4. 7 minus 4, we get 3. So I would write it like this, 3 over 5. Okay, you get that? I know that was a lot of steps. We could not take 2 minus 1, so we borrow from the whole numbers. We take out 1. There are still 6 there, and we make that 1 into a fraction so we can add to the numerator. And then we take the numerators and take them away. The denominator does not stay the same, does stay the same. And then we are just left with the whole number. 6 take away 4 is 2. Answer 2 3/5. Answer 2 3/5. Now you could use some different colors and coding, but the whole point is you're finding this right here. This is what we were going for. Because how much did it grow during March? Which is this. Which is this. Okay? And to check our answer, if you really wanted to, you just take 2 3/5 plus 4 4/5. So let's do that. 2 3/5 plus 4 4 over 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. The 5 stays the same. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 7/5. Well, that's not the same as that. Remember, if you take this and take 2 plus 5, you make that a whole number. And then you get 6 plus 1. So you get 7 2/5, which you can't see any of that. And it started raining, so maybe that's a sign that I should go to bed. So don't worry too much about all that. We will do more of those as the recordings progress. Hope that was helpful. See ya.